time to restock and organize our fridge. Let's go! Groceries are done. Organizers are ready. So we have different acrylic containers, freezer-friendly containers for meat and frozen items, water bottle, food-grade reusable silicone zip bags. These are very useful. We also have airtight containers, acrylic baskets, more reusable zip bags, acrylic shelves, different sized acrylic trays, and all set. Now time to organize. First, we do our fruits and vegetables. Make sure everything is cleaned prior. Loading up on the tomatoes and more veggies and fruits. Now time to put them in the fridge. Put the fresh produce in the crisper and the trays of fruits and vegetables on the shelves. Now time to stock the beverage. Perfect fit. Next is of course eggs. Then we go to our sauces and condiments and our dairy products. So yogurt, milk, then some chocolates, cheeses, and butters. And these go in the top chiller. Next is for our hot pot nights. Then load up the meat section. And more fruits for smoothies. Last one in and we are done!
Tell me all your secrets, you know I'm gonna keep them.